Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to check how articles work with countables and with uncountables. What we'll do is take each of the three types of articles one by one to see if they work with countables or with uncountables or with both. So let's start with the first of the three types, an. And the first question is, can we use an with countable nouns? For example, can we say an apple? Apple is countable, of course. And the answer is, yes, we can. An is fine with countable nouns. Other examples are a cat, a dog, and so on. Now, do remember that we can only use an with countables in the singular. We can't say a cat's or a dog's, for example. Next question, can we use an with uncountables? For example, can we say a bread? And the answer is no, we can't. Just like we saw in the last lesson, we can't use an with uncountables, only countables. So let's summarize what we have so far. An is for countables only, singular only, and the example is an apple. Next type of article is zero article, and it's the same questions as before. First question is, can we use zero article with countable nouns? Let's go back to the same example we were using before, which is apple. So can we say, for example, I love apples with the zero article here? And the answer is, yes, we can. Zero article is fine with countables. Other examples are, I love books, I love animals, and so on, all with no article or zero article in front of them. Notice also that all of these countable nouns have the plural s. We can only use zero article with the countables in the plural. Next question is, can we use zero article with uncountable nouns? The example we had before was bread, so can we say, I love bread with the zero article, again before the noun? And the answer is, yes, we can. Zero article is fine with uncountables. Other examples are, I love rice, I love milk, and so on. Although, do remember from last lesson that we can only use uncountable nouns in the singular. We can't say breads, rices, milks, and so on. So let's now add to our summary page. Zero article is for countables and uncountables. In the countable, we can use zero article in the plural only. So I love apples with the zero article here. And in the uncountable, it's in the singular only. So I love bread. The zero article is here. And in fact, uncountables are always singular anyway. So let's turn finally to the third type of article, which is the. Same questions. First one is, can we use the with countables? For example, can we say the apple? And the answer is, of course, yes, we can. The is fine with countables. Other examples are the cat and the dog. Now you can see here that all of these are in the singular. Can we put these nouns into the plural? For example, the apples. And the answer is, again, yes, we can. The for countables is fine for plurals as well. Other examples are the cats, plural, the dogs, and so on. Final question, can we use the with uncountable nouns? For example, can we say the bread? And the answer is, yes, we can. The is fine with uncountables. Other examples are the rice, the milk, and so on. And uncountables are, of course, singular only. Let's finish our summary page now. The is for countables and uncountables. For countables, it can be in the singular and the plural. So we have the apple and the apples. And for uncountables, it's always in the singular. So the bread is the example here. So that's the end of this lesson. Here is the PDF for you to download. And as you can see, it has all the examples we've looked at in this lesson. Join me in part 2 for the practice exercises. And in the next lesson, we're going to start on the special uses of zero article and the. Now, these are really important lessons, and they come with lots of pictures to help you remember the examples given in the lessons.